Right, Mavia. My name is Yash. I know you're based in Pakistan. Are you?
Yes, I'm based in Pakistan
Good, good.
right now. Yeah.
Great. So just to introduce myself, I'm the director, managing director at AY&J Solicitors. AY&J Solicitors is a multi-award winning legal 510 plus years experience, central London based immigration law firm. We have 4,000 plus clients, 1,000 plus reviews on Trustpilot and Google. And today in this session, I'm here to help you with any query you might have about UK immigration. So please do ask me any question you have.
Okay. Well, Mr. Yash, my name is Mavias. As you know, I'm talking to you directly from Pakistan.
Good.
Basically, I have one query.
Yes.
I used to live in UK. I was on student visa.
Yes.
I came in UK like 2010
Yeah.
on student visa,
Mm-hmm.
and I was there. Then I have extended my visa as well, which was in 2012, late 2012. My visa was expired, and then I got another extension, right?
Okay.
And then in 2014, my visa was actually revoked. My visa was cancelled
Okay.
due to that. You know that English language TOEIC English language
Yes.
scam that was came in
Yes. I am aware about it.
2014. If you have,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes. I do
So that
remember.
was the reason my visa was revoked. Yeah. So then I got a letter from Home Office saying you have only 7 days to leave the country.
Okay.
You have no appeal to right of appeal within the UK. So you have to go to your own country to make an appeal. Well, I
Okay.
didn't know what to do that time. I actually disregarded that letter. I didn't follow. I actually then I kept living in UK until 2016, September 2016. My
Okay.
visa was actually, yeah, my the visa was granted to me that was expired in 2015, April 2015,
Okay.
when I had extension in 2012. They grant me a visa until April 2015. But my visa was revoked before the second expiry date of my visa. Then I overstayed my visa. I overstayed like 1.5 year.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then I left the country. I left the UK voluntarily. I didn't get any support from Home Office. You know, these some people they leave UK on state expenses. They get ticket money and all, and some other money. I didn't get that. I left the UK on my own, and I didn't have any. You know, I wasn't deported. I left on my own. I didn't get any stamp from UK airport,
Yeah.
any exit stamp.
Mm-hmm.
And then now it's been 4 years since I've came back from UK. Now I'm planning to move to UK, but I have that you know, previous immigration history in UK, which is
Sure.
actually a big. I think it's a big hassle. It's a big trouble. Now I don't know if I have any re-entry ban on me. But I actually have to. I didn't get chance to consult with any proper solicitor like you. Now that's my actually you know, a luck that I've come across the person like you. Now you have to give me advice that do I have any chance to re-enter in UK? Do I have any re-entry ban or not? Now I am planning to move UK along my wife and a kid. I'm
Sure.
planning that my wife, she wants to study. She's a student. She wants to study in UK. So I'm thinking if I can, if I apply my wife's study visa, and I will be her spouse dependent, and our child also um, is gonna apply with us. So
Sure.
if there is any chance, you can. Now this is the scenario. This is the situation. I overstayed my.
No, understood
I
now.
I
Yeah.
I actually, yeah, I actually didn't just simply overstayed. My visa was revoked, cancelled
Yeah.
by the Home Office
Okay.
due to the TOEIC exam.
Okay. Fine. 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 So I understood now. What are you doing as of now in Pakistan?
Well, I'm doing business. I
Okay.
When I came back, I have started my business,
What
and
sort of
I'm
business
doing
is it,
business
Mavi?
now. I got married.
Fine.
Well, I'm doing. I have a bike. These motorbike showroom. Yeah,
Okay. Fine.
I deals bikes. Yeah,
Fine. Fine.
new
Fine.
and used bikes. Yeah, yeah.
Fine. But what I understood is your wife is planning to study in the UK, and then I understood like you will enter the UK as a dependent of your wife.
Yeah, that's
Fine,
it. Yeah,
fine.
that's my
So,
planning.
so to summarize of what you just said, you were in the UK as a student. After 4 years, your visa was curtailed. You overstayed. Your visa was curtailed with an allegation of the use of TOEIC via deception, and then you overstayed. So there are two issues. One is TOEIC deception
Yeah,
allegation. Number two is your overstay. You have now returned back to Pakistan, been there for almost 5 years now, 4 or 5 years, and you are planning to return to the UK as a dependent of your wife, who might get
yeah,
tier for visa in due course. Now the question is, your question is, would you get dependent visa or not? Now, when I was to advise whether yes or no, there are two points to consider. One is your overstay, number two is your TOEIC allegation, because Home Office still may pull out the previous refusal and allegation that you used deception in past, and that might be a hindrance on general grounds of refusal. So they might still pull that card out, and they might allege you of deception then, and then ask you and question your good character, and might refuse you on general grounds of refusal. And it's unlikely they can use the overstay against you, because you left the UK on your own expense, and it has been more than a year. So
yeah,
the general grounds of refusal is, if you have overstayed, then you cannot submit the application for next 1 year. So it's definitely more than a year after you left the UK, and you have left on your own expense. So it should
yeah,
be 1 year ban, and which you have of course passed through. So in my view, I think the complication is your TOEIC allegation. You might still need to deal with that. The way I would do it if I was you, then I would prepare a strong representation explaining why, if you were not part of the TOEIC allegation, and how, if you did not do any sort of deception, then why and how and what. We just need to explain that in much more detail with corroborating evidence, if there is any. So that's a crucial part. There we have dealt with many TOEIC cases. When they were there, we have been very successful. Probably 95-98% we managed to win those appeals, and some judicial review as
yeah,
well. So I think TOEIC has been a positive case law for many TOEIC applicants where we were alleged of dishonesty, deception. Unfortunately, you probably did not find right legal advice at that point of time to challenge the decision, possibly, and now you are in Pakistan. So that's my advice to you,
yeah.
Mavia. You need to prepare a strong representation explaining why you don't fall for general grounds of refusal, for two reasons. One is your overstay, and one is TOEIC allegation. Does that make sense?
Well, yeah. I think I do understand, but I what I think is I probably need to hire a good solicitor, the
Sure,
company, the solicitor like you know.
sure.
I personally, maybe I am not able to do uh, uh, in the way you can do it.
Of course. By all means, we are here to help. So if you are ready to submit your application, once you, I mean, I'm not sure how you will be securing your wife's international admission in the UK university. Once you get that, possibly we can prepare tier 4 application for herself and tier 4 dependent visa for you. Your part would be much more complex with compared to hers. If she doesn't have any complex immigration history, we can do both together. Happy to help. Reach out to us and we'll help you,
Okay.
Mavia. When do you want to submit approximately your application?
Well, actually, our application, we probably in January intake,
Okay, fine.
we are looking to January 21.
Yes,
We can do that. Well, we basically have everything is ready.
good,
She has done IELTS.
good.
She has done bachelor degree in Pakistan.
Okay,
We basically are ready. We are just waiting that this pandemic, this COVID-19 thing. Let's just get it over. So we just give another 4 5 months, that in we want to start it in January 21.
yeah,
Although we have everything is ready, now I need to find the you said you can do it. So I probably go through your agency, your
sure,
firm.
sure. No problem, we are happy to help. Please reach out to us whenever you get ready. You have my email address. Drop us an email. I also called you from my mobile number, which does have WhatsApp. So if you are using WhatsApp, you can send WhatsApp message there as well. You can always reach out on my social
Okay.
media platform. Do you have any more question before I go?
Yeah. Well, what are the chances you think the if you think is there any chances that we can win the case? Or what do you think? Because you have dealt many cases before
Yeah.
me, obviously, but
Yes.
probably not. If I was in UK, then the situation was different. Now I
Yeah.
have left UK, so now it's a bit more
True.
complicated.
Yeah, to answer your question about the merits, we need to study the paperwork of your TOEIC allegation. What did they allege you? What's your, response in response to the allegation? Home Office likely to refuse, and then you might have to challenge it via judicial review to prove that you were not part of the scam. It's much more complex process. I can't comment right now. We need to take much more evidence and witness statements from you, and then we can possibly provide you some sort of merits. My initial and provisional view is based on what I've seen till date is Home Office likely to refuse first, and then you might have to go and challenge it. But having said that, I'm unable to comment without looking into the paperwork.
Okay, Mr. Yash. Yeah, yeah, that's it. I think that's all about it. Yeah,
Thank you.
you have actually answered my question, very comprehensively, right?
Thank you.
I've got proper, yeah, I've got proper what you can say, a proper guidance now. Now
Wow.
it would be much easier for me to decide
Very
what to
good.
do, and in regarding to prepare my case, it would be very helpful. So, Mr. Yash, thank you very much.
Nice to
That
hear that,
is
Mavia.
a wonderful experience.
Pleasure
Yeah,
helping you.
yeah, it's a wonderful experience. Yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you. Thank
So
you.
I thank you again. Yeah, and I
Pleasure.
let you carry on with your yeah, yeah, with
Thank
your
you.
work. Yeah,
Thank you. Bye bye.
yeah. And I'll call you again if anything, any help needed. Yeah.
Please WhatsApp me or email me. Thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Bye
Good
bye.
night. Good day.
I invite you to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button so that you do not miss any updates from our channel. Furthermore, I also invite you to like this video and also share with any family friends who could be benefited, and drop a comment if you have any further question, query, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.